Sending high-definition videos on WhatsApp is now easier than ever. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of sharing HD videos on WhatsApp with your friends and family. This is one of my videos that I'd like to send in high quality on WhatsApp. Clicking on details found that it is in HD quality, with a file size of 57.1 megabytes, as evidenced here. If you want to send such high-quality videos, first open WhatsApp. Tap the paperclip icon or the plus icon. Next, tab on Document. Choose the location from Files or select Photos or Videos based on the location of your video. I am selecting for Choose Photos or Videos. Next, select your HD quality videos. I am selecting Previously Shown Videos. Then click on Paper icon at the bottom right corner. You can see Videos is in the process of uploading. You can observe that these are identical HD quality videos with the same size of 57.1 megabytes. It comes with certain limitations, such as the current 2 gigabytes overall file size limit for documents. Additionally, sending it as a document may result in potential video compression, affecting its quality. Alternatively, and you want to send over 2 gigabytes, then upload the video to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox and share the link through WhatsApp. This allows for larger file sizes and avoids compression. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.